Yo, what is up guys, Tom's on here back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get the invisible torso in GTA 5 Online. Now guys, this is going to be a permanent invisible torso. It's not going to be reappearing every 10 seconds or so. It's going to be permanently invisible, alright? So if you guys want to know how to do this easy glitch in GTA 5 Online, all you guys got to do is stay to the end of the video on how to do this easy glitch in GTA 5 Online. So if this glitch did work for you guys, I'd appreciate it if you guys can drop a like and subscribe with notifications on for more videos like this. And also guys, can you guys go in the comment section, comment that the glitch did work for you guys, so other people who try this glitch know it's gonna work and they can also do the glitch for themselves and get these dope invisible torsos in GTA 5 Online. And yeah guys, let's get into the video. Now guys, the method we're going to be using to get these invisible torsos is going to be the transfer glitch. Now if you guys know what the transfer glitch, basically you guys can get any model outfit you want with the transfer glitch, but the only bad thing about it, you lose all your outfits except one, okay? So the outfit I'm not going to be losing is the outfit you equip, okay? So I'm not going to be losing this one right here because I have it on, okay? Now once you guys have an outfit you do not want to lose, come over to online and head over to swap character right here. So if you guys do not want to lose an outfit, just have it equipped and then you will not lose it, okay? Now guys, make sure your main character is on the same slot as mine with the checkerboard and the Joker face and like the white hoodie. Make sure your main character is on the same slot. Now if your main character is on the same slot, sadly you cannot do this glitch because it just won't work, okay? So make sure your main character is on that slot. Now all you guys want to do is come over to the second slot and all you guys want to do is make a new character, okay? Now when you guys get this alert, just accept it, just press yes because it makes your rank level 120 automatically and also gives you a free high-end apartment, okay? So just take advantage of it, and plus you're going to be needing it when making the outfits, okay? And all you guys want to do is just change the gender to a female and then do save and continue. Don't worry how the character looks like or the name of the character because you're going to be deleting her later on the glitch, okay? So just name it whatever and then just like continue, okay? Now when you guys load in, first thing you want to do when you guys load into the map is to open up the map and check if the clone store icons are showing up on the map. As you guys can see, for me they are not. No clone store icon there, no clone store icon there. Now to fix this problem, it's really easy. Come over to online and do find new session, okay? And then that should fix the problem, okay? And when you guys load into a new session, just head over to the nearest clothing store near you, okay? When you guys load into a new one. Now guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Well, not really pause, but like I'm gonna cut the video right here and then make the outfits just so I can keep the video much more shorter than like usual, okay? So I'm right back when I have the outfit done. So here's the outfit right here. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to make it. First, let me go ahead and save it because I do not want this thing to go away. So let me save it. All right, there you go. So first thing is first, you guys want to come over to the tops right here. Depends on which clone store you have, okay? But all you guys want to do is come over to the tops, come over to tactical jackets and put on the khaki tactical blouse in number 79. It's the last one. And also guys, all you guys want to do is come over to gun running t-shirts around here. So there you go, past it right there, gun running t-shirts, and put on the blue digital t-shirt number 60, okay? So make sure you guys put this here on. And once you guys have it, oh yeah, one more thing. Make sure you got, this is very important, make sure you guys put on the crew emblem, okay? Because the crew emblem is what like gets you the invisible permanent body, okay? The crew emblem gets you the invisible body, okay? So make sure you guys have it on. Now if you guys don't have the option for the crew emblem, that's because you're not in a crew, okay? So make sure you guys join a crew for that. Now you guys just come over to the pants, pick the sport pants, and then put a pick the first one, okay? The green spotted muscle pants, okay? And then all you guys will do now is come over to high heel boots, put on the deluxe midnight combats number 24, and then you guys are already done with the outfit. Just come over to the cashier and save it, okay? And if I did go fast for you guys, just pause the video and look at which number, like the category it is or whatever, okay? Now once you guys have saved it, all you guys will do is come over to outfit standard and put on the Chica outfit, which is the first one. Once you guys put on the Chica outfit, this is where the glitch starts, okay? So make sure you guys follow every step correctly. So come over to online and head over to creator right here. Now once you guys are in creator, all you guys will do is come over to create a race. Once you guys press it, pick the land race, and once you guys pick the land race, all you guys want to do is just fill out the information, okay? So come over to race details. Once you guys are on it, just name the title whatever, okay? So just name it whatever, doesn't matter. So I just spam them some random buttons, same as the description, name it whatever. And then for the photo, just take a random photo, okay? There we go. And all you guys want to do is come to maximum players and make it 2. Once you guys make it 2, come over to route type and make it point to point. Once you guys make that, all you guys want to do is back out and come over to placement, okay? But first, all you guys want to do is open up the map and then set a waypoint over to the airport, okay? So once you guys are here at the airport, all you guys want to do is come over to place the placement and then just place the triggers, okay? So I'm going to place it right here. Take another lobby camera picture. Take that, just a random picture. Now come over to checkpoints, and all you guys will do is place down the checkpoints, okay? So I'm going to place them down. So there you go. Once you guys get to the minimum, all you guys will do is back out all the way to test, okay? So just keep on pressing B or circle until you find test, okay? And all you guys do now is just do the race. So here you go. Now once you guys finish the race, just press OK on this, and once you guys press OK, all you guys will do is open up the pause menu, okay? Open it up and then come over to online right here and then head over to choose character. Now guys, please do not go into GTA Online, because if you guys do, you're gonna mess up the glitch and you're gonna have to start from step 1. So go into choose character, okay? So once you guys are now in the choose character, now this is where I said you're going to be deleting your female character later on the glitch. This is where it comes in, okay? So all you guys do is come to your female character and delete her, okay? And guys, please double check which character you're going to be deleting, because I don't want you guys deleting your main character, okay? So delete your female character, okay? And once you guys delete your female character, all you guys want to do is, if you're on Xbox, press B when you guys load in. Like on this screen, press B, and if you're on PlayStation, press circle to back out to story mode, okay? This is very important. Guys, please do not go into online, because if you guys do, you will not get the outfit and you will lose all your outfits, okay? So make sure you guys go into story mode first before you go into online, okay? So once you guys are in story mode now, all you guys do is open up the pause menu, come over to online, play GTA Online, and you guys can pick an invite only or just a public session. I'm gonna pick a public session, okay? So once you guys are in a new session, all you guys want to do is head over to the nearest clone store, or if you guys are already in your own apartment, all you guys want to do is just go to the closet and save your current outfit, because right now it is not saved. So make sure you guys go save it, okay? And as you guys can see, the outfit I transferred from my female character have transferred over to my male character, okay? So there you go. Now when I come over to outfit saved and try to put it on this outfit, it's not letting me, because now we have to merge it. So all you want to do is go over to the pants, or you guys can go over to the cashier and just buy the pants you want with the invisible body, okay? So if you guys want these jeans with the invisible body or shorts with the invisible body, all you guys want to just put them on, okay? Just put on the pants you want with the invisible body, okay? Or if you guys want like the bodysuits, like the green or purple gang bodysuits, all you guys can just put on the bodysuit, and then I'll tell you when to like save it and then merge it, okay? So for me, I want the black joggers, so all you guys want to do is put on the black heist pants. Once you guys have that, you guys can use whatever pants as I said, or outfits from here. So all you guys can do now, once you guys have the pants you want, all you guys can do is save it right under the outfit we transferred from our female character, okay? So for me, I'm going to be saving my black joggers right here. And all you guys can do, once you guys have saved the outfit, open up your pause menu, come over to online, come over to jobs, play job, rocks are created, versus, and then once you guys are in versus, start Crook's Cop. So once you guys are in the Crook's Cop, if you guys are hosts, all you guys want to do is come over to clothing and make it player owned. So clothing, make it player owned, and once you guys have done that, all you guys do is invite someone into the job and start it up. Now once you guys are in the job, all you guys do is go over to the outfit that I told you to save. So for me, it's gonna be called jogger. So all you guys do is go to the outfit I told you to save and switch it once to the left, or it depends on which way you saved it. So all you guys do is switch it once to the left or right, okay? And guys, don't worry about the scuba gear, that will disappear, okay? So there you go, scuba gear gone. Now all you guys can do now is come over to styles, and once you guys are in styles, come into accessories and put on the LSD earpiece, okay? Or any earpiece of your choice on gears, okay? And all you guys want to do once you guys have saved it, just back out through your phone. Now all you guys can do is go over to the nearest clothing store near you, and once you guys are here, all you guys want to do is save your outfit, okay? So I'm gonna go over here and save it to joggers, and if you guys want different like types of pants, you guys can just keep on doing the crooked cop again and again, and just just merge the outfits, and you guys can probably get like 20 model outfits if you guys want with like invisible body. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If the glitch did work for you guys, I'd appreciate if you guys can drop a like and subscribe with notifications on. Can we go for 300 likes on today's video? And yeah guys, Tom's on, signing out, peace.